We love this. So yeah, I don't know where we're probably not live yet, but let me show you something else. We can always repeat this. So hopefully we are on. Hopefully we are on this, right? Hopefully we are on Facebook or something like that. Hopefully we're on there. But let me show you something else. So we're probably going to chop here again because, you know, this took quite some time. Yeah, we're live now. Cool. Zoom is working. Okay, cool. So finally we are live now. Awesome, guys. Awesome. So let me show you something else for those who are late. For late until, yeah. For those of you who are late here, let me show you something, what I'm telling them now. Okay. So the thing is, I find this quite impressive about Bitcoin here. Hey, why skip the ads, man. Find this quite expensive about, yeah, okay, we're here. Okay, let me show you this. Hey, get this thing out. Get this thing out. Okay, anyway, so look at this. I'm just going to the 4-hour chart. This is truly phenomenal. I told you, I'm going to show you what may happen. Okay, this is not financial advice. I emphasize this many times. I'll show you what happened by putting things together. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Rejected at 37. It's now at 34.9. This is about 34 what? What is below here? 34.4, 34.5, whatever it is. Don't need to be accurate with this at 34.6, right? But look at the Wyckoff. Seriously, don't throw this away, right? Look, it tested down here, and then it went up, got rejected at 37. This says that it will go to 37.3, go back down, last point of support, 34.7 or whatever here. So it cannot break this level. For this level to be the last point of support, which is not bad because this is 34.5. That's kind of cool here, okay? This is the, yeah, this is the 50. So we captured the 50, go back down. Yeah, I think it's trying to flip the 50 to the support. Now that is on Bitcoin. Let's see again on this. Again, my favorite is this, right? I need to see the Bitcoin dominance go down for the altcoins to go. It's not going to go up by much. Now it's going to go slowly. Yes, this is good. Ethereum is doing more than Bitcoin. Good. Again, we want to see this. Ethereum, not the rest, okay? The rest are doing worse than Bitcoin, Binance, Cardano, and all that. That is okay. We forgive you. What is this at? 44.5. You remember, in order to get a big alt cycle, we have to go here below 40. This has to be below 40. So now the question is, what is going to happen, right? What is going to happen? Where is Bitcoin going to go to? What are the calendar dates, okay? Because I know you guys just want to see this below 40. That's fine. So let's go and see and look at some calendars here. I found this calendar for you, which I took from CNBC last night. I took this from CNBC last night. I want you to see something here. Kathy Wood filed for a Bitcoin ETF. 8 others have filed. Let me tell you how this works. 8 others have filed, and here's the deal. They have to give a decision, or they can push things out by 45 days. Get that? 45 days. That means since we have 8, we have a slew of decision making, you know, okay? Not approved, push, not approved, push. But the thing is like a sales funnel, right? It's like a sales funnel coming here. Hey, which one is going to be approved first? We do not know. But I like it when Kathy Wood has in the ring because she's the most smartest lady in the world to me. So look, Van Eck Bitcoin ETF is on August 3rd. I kind of like that. And there's another one here that's going to go on July 15th, right? I forgot the name of that, but I'm not looking at July 15th. Let me draw you the calendar clearly. So we have August 3rd here. We know July 17th is the unlocking, right? Grayscale, GBTC unlocking, which you guys don't like. We know July 21st. What happens there? The B word. The B word. Lord Elon is coming with Jack Dorsey, correct? Lord Elon is coming with Jack Dorsey here. And then August 3rd. So I kind of like this because then there will be this ETF and other ETFs also waiting for approval. Wisdom ETF, sorry, I just remembered the name. Wisdom ETF is on July 15th, I think. I don't really care about that because yeah, that's wisdom. That's fine with wisdom. But my thing is this, okay? My thing is, frankly speaking, it is not right. Of course, the market can do anything, not financial advice. It is not right for an ETF not to be approved. You get what I mean? It's just not right. I think we are going to see a ETF. I don't know which one, but I know there's 8. And I know that after this, even if Van Eck is not approved, then Kathy comes back in. And if it's not approved on August 3rd, when is the next approval date? Do you know? Can someone calculate 45 days of this? Can someone calculate 45 days of this? Do you know what 45 days of this is? Can someone calculate that? Very important for you to calculate 45 days of this. And that's what I think, okay? So it's going to stagger, stagger, stagger. All you need, guys, is one approval. One approval, and we are going to hit the moon or whatever it is, whatever we want to hit. I don't know what we want to hit. I know what do you guys want to hit. So let's look at the charts first for Bitcoin. I'm just going to go to images.google.com. I don't know what they have here. Let's go and find what images. I want to find Bitcoin here, okay? I want to find Bitcoin 2013 because I was studying this last night. 2013. I want to find Bitcoin 2013 chart. This is so interesting because you got to see this. Where is my Bitcoin 2013 thing? Is this 2013? No, this is gold. What? Why do you give me gold? Give me Bitcoin 2013. I can't find it, but is it this? Yeah, it's probably this. Look at this. What is this? This is a Forex rally. Don't give me that. Chart. I want to go to the Bitcoin 2000. Yeah, 9 September. Yes, correct. That means, John, if they don't approve it on August 3rd, they 45 days later, you know, so if there's 8, you know there's 8, you know that this means that you can literally wake up and say, oh, it's approved and it just goes, okay? It's approved and it just goes. That's March 2013. That is fine. Is this it? Okay, look at this. Look at this, guys. Okay, look at this. I just want you to look at this very, very carefully, even though you might not be able to see it. Okay, just look at this, guys. This is what happened. Okay, this is like April, blah 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 blah, went down. Look at this. Let's go on for a bigger one. Hey, show me the bigger one. No, that's not 2000. No, I want 2013. No, not 2016. I want 2013 or whatever. This is the same thing. It peaked, it went down, and then it went up again. That's what I'm trying to find for you guys. I can't seem to find it. But anyway, look at this. When does it when does it go up here? Look, August, right? It goes up in August. Hey, this is 2013, right? Is this 2013? Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at that. August. Look at that. July, August, bam, 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 bam. This is what I'm seeing here. So I'm just looking at this and I'm saying like, hey, wait a minute. Maybe there is something here. And then it peaks in January, right? Let's try to download this. I just want to see what this is all about. Because, you know, the thing is this, you know, things happen a lot in Bitcoin. Things repeat itself in Bitcoin. So I just want to see where in the world we are going, right? Yeah, 2015. Oh, that's 2000. Oh, look at that. Look at that. But it's the same, right? August, it starts going up. This is 2016. Same thing. And we have the thing also in 2013. I can't find it. I don't know where I put it, but it looks something like this also. So August is a good thing. And you must remember that last year, when did DeFi summer start, guys? When did DeFi summer start? August. Yes, correct. So yes, the ETF will make the price go higher. Most definitely. Why? Because you need to have physical Bitcoin. You need to have real Bitcoin. You can't have the futures Bitcoin, okay? You cannot have the futures Bitcoin. So look at this. This is also the same as 2015, 2016. That's good. Okay, but the man of the moment now, it's not Bitcoin. It is Ethereum. Okay, I know you guys like Bitcoin, but let's look at Ethereum, okay? Because Ethereum has something coming up for it. See, I'm also looking at this now. Okay, good that the S&P is going up. Oh, congratulations. But look at this. Again, Ethereum got dumped to the dumpers, right? Got dumped to the dumpers, trying to make it all the way up again. Yeah, again, it recaptured the 50 like Bitcoin, haven't captured the 200. We're still far away from here, 2005. But Ethereum has an even better case because of EIP. London, yeah, you guys like London, right? Because England beat Germany in a knockout match for the first time in 55 years. London is a big deal, and staking ETH2 is also a big deal. But as I shown you, if you want to stake it, guys, can you guys please be very careful? Because look at this. I mean, this is totally crazy, guys. Look at this. Staking company serves 5 blocks with a lawsuit over private keys. They lost their private keys. I don't know where they put it. They kind of lost it. They kind of lost it. Like, what? And EIP is 1559 is July 14th, okay, by the way. And look at that. Stakehound loses. Like, what? What are you guys doing? So that is why I said that, you know, and I don't know why people are staking here. I always feel the best place to stake, well, you guys are going to hate me for this, is something like finance, not financial advice, just my opinions, because they got insurance. And if you stake ETH, because they love you so much, right? They give you BETH. That's fine by me. Yeah, I know. Lost their keys. You see, John? Because I was telling John and Jeff, right? Like, hey, you guys are like a certain age. Can you guys go to the centralized exchange? You see the problem now, John? If, and this is no joke, if a staking company can lose their keys, what about you? There is no shame in going to centralized exchanges, guys. I know you're not cool. I get it. You're low. You're low among the coolness rankings. That doesn't matter. It's like in Malaysia, right? We have this flag where if you need food or you need help, not that you're asking for people, please put your white flag, right? And many people are embarrassed because they're from the medium 40 group, in the middle income group. But hey, who cares? It's just that you just went in a hard patch and you need help. And, you know, I read the stories. I'm quite sad. Many people are embarrassed. Same thing here, guys. If you are of a certain age, I'm going to name it as 50. I'm sorry, 50-year-old. I'm 55. Can you guys get your act together into a centralized exchange, okay? We don't need coolness. You guys need to defend your money, okay? So please be careful because everyone's excited on ETH 2.0, right? So I know you guys want to stake, but please be careful here. So what's happening in ETH? Well, so you can see here last week was the expiration. A lot of them expired worthless. So this is what the market makers do. That's cool. Okay, so you know it's still not there yet, but it's coming. Okay, look at that Quill multiple. Oh, that's good. That was a buy zone. So a lot of things. So look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Okay, look at that. June 2020, before the DeFi summer. It's the same thing this year. Do you see that? June 2020. You know, the DeFi summer started in July and August. Okay, that's why I was telling, like, it looks like August is going to be this time. It started last year. You saw just now in 2016. That was not in DeFi summer. We didn't have DeFi. Hopefully next week I'll show you. It started also in August in 2013. So that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Okay, August. So look at that. Largest Bitcoin down, but they got jumped on. So we start doing that. And let's see other ETH here. But I didn't want to talk to you about EIP 1559 so that you really understand. Okay, here it is. So here it is, guys. EIP 1559 update. And here's the thing, okay? Here's the thing. Will it make gas cheaper? Who knows? Will it make gas cheaper, guys? Can you answer that question? Are you hoping for cheaper gas? What does it do? What does it do? Aha, no, it doesn't. Okay, it doesn't make gas cheaper, okay? It does not do that. It's going to change the thing, but it makes Ethereum deflationary. Deflationary. It reduces the amount of Ethereum, and that's cool, right? Because you guys like Binance Coin. I know you guys like Binance Coin because they burn the tokens every quarter. This is the same thing. No, this is not the same thing. They burn it after a certain transaction. I find that quite super cool. Okay, I find that very super cool. Now let's see what EIP 1559 is. Okay, it's going to happen. It's already happened on the test net, by the way. So it's already happened. Let's look at some burn. They tried burning some things. Okay, they tried burning some things already. Okay, yeah, 1559. See, they burned it. They burned it. They burned it. This is testing. They burned it. I will tell you what the gas is all about. They burned it. Don't worry, John. You can be like a Grab. You can be like a Grab. It's like going on Grab. Okay, I think it's cool. They burned it. It works. 14th, you're gonna see this. They're gonna start burning, man. This is just on the test net. What? That's a lot of tokens to burn. That's cool. I think that's cool. I think that's cool. We got to get rid of that Ethereum so that it goes up. Okay. So again. Package with London Hartford July, okay, against new development. Yeah, we don't care because going to do it anyway. Now look at this EIP 1559. How will it change? Okay, blah 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 blah. Okay, change in the fee market mechanism. Okay, so it's not through auction. Now, if you want the thing to go through, you have to bid the highest, right? I have to compete you guys to bid the highest. We don't even know a base price, you know. I go to ETH gas station. Let's go to ETH gas station so that you guys can know this. ETH gas station. Now, just show you how complicated these things can be. Let's go to ETH gas station. They've gone down a lot. You know, I know that they've gone down a lot. And you see all of this, and you see all of this in your MetaMask, and I think they've gone down a lot because this is the lowest fee. This is the lowest fee since DeFi summer. So I do expect another, yeah, look at that. This is low. This is low. You know, this used to be what, 200, 300, like, what? Yeah, so Uniswap, Tether, 1 inch, they're all taking this. So what this does now that makes it easier for everyone, including for people like me, is this. Okay, there is the base fee and the tip. The base fee and the tip. Now is the fee. If John wants to pay $1 and I go in with $5, John is gone. Now it's like your Grab, right? There is a base fee. There is a base fee. I cannot run away from the base fee. Say it's $1. That's the same for John. This is burn, gone. But there is a tip, right? Because in your Grab, there's a tip also if you want things faster. If you want the Grab to come to you, or you're Indonesia, you're like Gojek. No, you have Grab in Indonesia too. You have Grab in Singapore. You have Grab everywhere. Okay, Grab or Uber. Then there's a tip, okay? So it's not necessarily lower, but it can be lower. In most of the time, it's be lower because this is fixed. This is fixed. So that's kind of cool. So it'll be less. So what they say here is very good here. When does it make, will this make gas cheaper? Not necessarily, but how will this change? This is how it will change. Let me draw it for you here. So under normal circumstances, everything is low, right? Everything is kind of low, and it shows here the scenario, but you don't need to understand it. Well, I want you to understand. I'm going to draw it to you, okay? So under normal circumstances, this is kind of low. This is fine. However, if you go through a DEX, right? If you go to a DEX, I will then increase my tip. You see me? I will still increase my tip, not by a lot, because say I buy a token. Let's buy a token. I love this, right? Formation, which is up 10 times from my buying price. I want to buy this. I increase my tip, right? Because this is a decentralized exchange. If you go to a centralized exchange, that's cool. That's the same. Now, another one, you guys asked me about IDOs, right? What happens there? Well, hello. If it's that, you know what I'll do, right? My tip is going to become bigger. Don't tell that to anyone, okay? So you do not want still to compete with me in the IDO because I say, hey, I don't want to think about this. Tip. Yeah, but I'll give a higher tip. But do you know what? This overall thing is going to be less than what I pay now. Because let me tell you, in order to get the tokens, I'm going to tell you my secret. So people compare, how come you always get the thing? How come you always get the thing? Are you cheating? Are you paying people? Are you bribing? Kind of bribing. I just tell you my secret. I always make sure when it's Ethereum, I set my total fee to $50. I set it to $50 and above. That's why I always get the tokens, okay? Don't be envious of me. Don't be envious of me. I set it to over $50. Now it's different. If this is like $2, I'm like, how am I going to tip him? It's very hard for me to find that 50 bucks tip or whatever. I don't even know. Do you understand what I mean? That now this is probably, I'm going to tip him, like if that's $2, I'm probably going to tip him 20. And so at the end of the day, 22 is less than 50. You get that, right? So in a sense, okay, in a sense, this is because you're asking, is it lower and higher? Because let me give you the context, okay? Overall, I believe it is lower. But when we are competing, those of you hoping to go into IDOs with me, hoping to see $2 Ethereum fee, and hoping you get that token, if you have me in there, let me tell you, I will go in first. You understand that? But overall, it's still lower, okay? This is so important. This is so important. I know wallets are very complicated, but you guys need to understand this, okay? So you guys want to understand about wallets, we are giving away $50 on Saturday, okay? We're giving you $50 in a token on Saturday. I will tell you what it is on Saturday, of course. And then we are giving away for this so that you can stake. And then we'll follow up with the yield next week. So, Mike, can you drop the link in YouTube also for our free wallets class on Saturday? We will cover Binance Chain, we will cover Ethereum, and we will cover Polygon. So using the same MetaMask wallet, we want to cover three. We want to cover all three. Guys, crypto has gotten so complicated, and John can see why this is important. I mean, now people are talking about Polygon, right? People are saying, hey, do you know that if you are launching in Polygon, you can use the same thing, right? You are using the same thing, guys. You can use the same code or whatever. It is essentially Ethereum, but it is, I don't know if it's faster. Some people say it's slower. Yeah, when I convert, it's slower. But inside, I'm quite happy with the speed, you know? And I went into an IDO and I'm like, what is the gas fee? Like, so in Polygon, just part of Ethereum or layer 2 of Ethereum, I pay very low, okay? So I want you to understand that because people don't understand. But this is coming. And when this is coming, guess what? Guess what? Guess what? This is what I like. You still have to use Ethereum for the base fee. I know you guys like Kusama, right? I know, guys. I know you guys like Kusama here, okay? I know you guys like Kusama and all that, blah, 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 blah. But let me tell you, the problem with Kusama is it allows you to pay gas fees in other fees. If you are paying gas fees in other fees, can I ask you one question? I just want to ask you one simple question. Which are you going to burn, okay? So this is why I kind of like Ethereum now. I know I didn't like it. I kind of like Ethereum now because at least I know they are going to get rid of Ethereum. This is gone. It's gone. This is what is being burned. Do you know that? This is what is being burned here. Not here. What was that? Where did they? Yeah, this is burned. This is burned. So here's the deal, right? Why I am looking at Ethereum very carefully, and you guys know that I have been actually slowly accumulating Ethereum, slowly buying Ethereum, not because I love Ethereum, because I think there is a lot of value. Again, this is not financial advice. Basically, once they burn this and once DeFi summer comes, okay, this is a fact, okay? This is a fact for you Bitcoin lovers or whatever you are. And I have a lot of Bitcoin also, so I don't mind. Let me tell you some facts. At the end of the day, when you talk about transactions, it is still about Ethereum, okay? It's still about Ethereum. No one can argue on that, okay? So everyone's excited because of this. I know we are down here, but that doesn't matter, right? That doesn't matter. You look at all this EIP 1559, it is actually great and it is actually awesome, okay? Very important. And other than that, you know this, right? And not only that, for the, again, look at this, guys, banks. The good thing is now banks are even getting into Ethereum 2.0 staking. This is, yeah, I know. If you're in the UK, you can't stake, right? I know you can't stake with Binance. Go and find something else. But banks are coming in. This is like Signum Bank, and they are running a staking node with block demand and Bison Trail. So, okay, let them keep your keys and all that. That's fine. Okay, so staking goes institutional. So you have this where, you know, things are going here. And if you like Swiss Bank, because I love Swiss Bank, they're very safe. They have a reputation, and look at that. They will allow their clients to stake. So it's become something institutional now. Now, because Bitcoin is down, I haven't heard of Cathie Wood going after Bitcoin, right? But I'm sure that one day when the Bitcoin craze comes back, I'm very sure that people will start with Ethereum, okay? So that's good that it's slowly starting here. And I think this is very, very important for all of us, okay? So again, let's look at Ethereum here. There. Let's look at Bitcoin, quite steady. Let's look at the rest, okay? Let's just look at the rest. Yeah, everything is quite steady here. So remember that this is key. This is key. We are just at that level. And okay, let's look at some other coins here. See, at the end of the day, you need Ethereum to move faster than Bitcoin. As long as these are faster than Bitcoin, you could see the other ones moving. So the fact that Ethereum is stronger than Bitcoin is very, very good. And that's what I say, that in the future, to prepare you guys for another DeFi summer, again, we have a free wallets class. In fact, I just discussed just now, we are probably going to make the first Saturday of the month. Hey, guys, is Malaysia still on the first Saturday? You guys don't work, right? Or the government doesn't work, right? Is that the deal? Because I've lost count, you know. I'm like, what's happening during this lockdown? So we're trying to put that Saturday, every first Saturday of the month is actually wallet day. And why is this, guys? Look, once upon a time, a long time ago, I could teach a wallet class in one day. I cannot do it now. Hello, I can't do it. It's too complicated. So we're trying to pack this BSC. We're trying to pack Polygon. We're trying to pack Ethereum this Saturday. Maybe next time we do something a little bit different, okay? But the idea is simple. If you do not know, oh, there it is up there. Go bin. Yeah, it's up there. If you do not know Ethereum, then you can't do anything, right? If you do not know MetaMask, if you do not know wallets, you can't do anything. So this is a big problem for you guys, okay? So again, just join it. It's free anyway, okay? It's kind of free. It's kind of free. So so yeah, you know, get in while this is. Get in where sign up here, yeah, Rebrandly, and we're gonna give you $50 of this, right? Yeah, it's down there also. Maya posted. So again, it's going to be the start of this DeFi summer. I do not know when the market is going to go up. I have no idea when the market is going to go up, but I do know there is a series of what? There is a series of ETF approvals coming. And if the ETF approvals come, you and I know, yeah, you and I know, and everybody in this shows that you are going to get one big green bar. And when that big green bar comes, guess what, guys? You have better be ready, because if you are not ready, it's kind of going to escape that, right? You guys know that, right? So we are just preparing you. There are many ways to do it, but we are just preparing you now in order to do this, okay? So I hope that you guys get ready. And in the meantime, please do attend our wallets class. Again, we want to expand this. Please ask your friends to come along, everything. Share it with your friends. It's all free. We would like to do it every single Saturday, okay? That's kind of cool, right? Nobody does it every single Saturday for you guys, okay? So finally, to end, what do we end with, guys? What do we end with at the end of the day? What do we end with? We end with this, right? We end with, basically hold the line, guys. We have to hold the line until this thing resolves itself. Did I just disappear? I am so cool because I just disappeared. I came back, guys. Laser eyes, okay? I'm going to see you next Monday where we are going to go on something real, okay? I am possible, because next Monday is another great show, because I am going to teach you how I'm going to travel to the Philippines and Bali using crypto. See you then, bye.